Kafi Khalil, a young boy who went from the streets of Leari to dominating the music industry of Pakistan and even South Asia. Got famous for his evergreen song Kahani Suno, which was released in 2022. Absolutely crushed the charts, crushed the views, crushed the streams, and to this day, people relate to that song. The song got extremely famous for its sad vibe and its heartbreaking effect it had on multiple people and the way people related to the song Kahani Suno. That song changed the life of Kafi Khalil in every certain way. He did international tours to US, Australia, and many countries. After that song, he had like a proper brand. The boy actually did what he wanted, and Kahani Suno, that song, pushed his ways. He became a major sign of inspiration for the young men and even for the people of Leari. A young boy from that area went on to achieve his dreams and was on stage in front of the whole crowd. It was a heartbreak anthem for the whole South Asia, and the song trended in almost every country. Multiple influencer celebrities made loads of reels and used that song, due to which the song got overly famous. If you talk about the views and streams, the song has got over 500,000,000 views on YouTube, which is a lot. If you're talking about a Pakistani artist, wo bhi Leari se ek banda. And around 350 million views on Spotify. That song solely pushed his monthly listeners to around 8-9 million. Later, he released Mansoop, and that song also did well, but not that well if you're comparing it with Kahani Suno, but still, it went viral. Then he released Jermana, another song in 2024. Still, we can say it kind of did good to some. He was dropping songs, but none of the songs had like that Kahani Suno wali vibe. And one thing about Kafi Khalil that people noticed was the same vibe that he was bringing in his every song, which was the basic sad udasi wali vibe. People got a bit bored of his deliveries, and because of that, his monthly listeners were falling apart, his views were falling apart, his streams were falling apart. Now he has released another song called Daman, and people are giving very mixed opinions and mixed reviews about the song because it has got a touch of very cringy lyrics and the same vibe, same sadness wala factor, same udasi wala factor, which is quite boring according to some people. And some people are claiming that this might be the downfall of Kafi Khalil because of his same vibe, same delivery, same flow, same music touch. Let's see how well the song performs और आगे वो किस तरह के songs produce करता है, कैसे songs लेके आता है. Let's just hope for the best कि वो different तरीके का music लेके आए, different तरीके के songs लेके आए, जिसके अंदर एक unique touch हो. And on that note, Mango out. अपनी DP पे मत लगाओ मुझे